Leak detection pump.
Oh, injection pump.
No, leak detection pump.
So now we are removing the injection pump. And this is very dangerous to do it yourself. You have to go to the mechanic. You can come here. Only expert can do this.
Now can you hear me? Can you hear me? Holding this. Holding this. No, just no. I mean, just pushing down. Yeah.
Plastic ko. Bravo. Muy bien.
trabaho to.
Oh.
Friends, we've been doing this, but it's not time.
In Ecuador, you'll be a mechanic. You're a mechanic, right?
Yeah. No, but I mean, there is no time to make the videos.
Just buy the one in like this. Put it, stand. Don't worry, I'll come every day.
Yeah.
So now he's replacing the...
Isang ka lang doon makuha ka mo.
Sa live pa ba? Pabayaan mo lang siya nakatindungan mo.
Tapos i-edit mo lang pagkatapos ka mo.
You guys make...
Hindi bro kinalamit ako bro ka dyan.
No.
Isa ka muna makikita kita mo. Imo, hanggang siguro mga 5 mil lang makikita ka ng bulan na, no? 10 mil.
Mag-grogi na siya.
So sige-sige lang.
Sige.
Kapag pa kang duroro pa lugar
Oo.
mo.
So now Chris is changing the injection, right? Fuel injection.
No, it's the leak detection pump.
It's a leak.
Detection pump.
So I'll teach you guys. I'll be here,
Yung mga channel na ni Boss, ano mo mga kan? Sa ano mga channel ni Boss kan?
Wow. Kay WOWsoNice, one word.
Wow?
WOWsoNice.
WOWsoNice.
Oo. Thank you ha. Basta mas-subscribe ka, salamat daan.
Wow. Ako rin ho? WOWsoNice. Wow.
No, WOWsoNice.
Ibagagwa out.
Ah?
Ibagagwa. Health and beauty.
Sa YouTube ka nagtanaw?
YouTube.
Sa YouTube mo eh.
YouTube to?
Oo.
Di ko sa Facebook.
Hindi, sa YouTube. Wala pa ako nagwa sa You went to Lincoln Tech?
No.
No?
There is a-
Experience? Experience here?
No, I mean Ecuador. There is a.
Oh, Ecuador.
Yeah.
Oh.
Kunin mo. Ang bunin? Okay.
Again. So, good karma dito man. Makita mo good karma.
Makita ka ba ron?